how to add your social media links on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to YouTube. Now go to the YouTube studio right here. As you can see, now all what you have to do is click on customization and go to basic info, scroll down, click on add link, and here enter the title, for example Facebook, and add your Facebook link. For example, this is the profile, and click publish. Let's go to the channel right now, and here is the channel link. As you can see, the Facebook is here. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.